Hey, Mike Foster here. How you doing? Guess what? We have a road trip. We're in, of all places, Barstow, California. It's in between Vegas and Southern Cal. We just had a nice trip to a beach in Southern Cal. And this is a place that you guys have been asking me to try. It's Fatburger. I don't think I've ever had a Fatburger, so we're going to try Fatburger. And we're going to try their cheeseburger and maybe their fries. And let's eat the street. Dead ahead. There's Fatburger. There's the drive-thru. Here's the Fatburger.
Hi, thank you for choosing Fatburger.
Hello, thank you for choosing Fatburger. How are you guys doing today?
Hey, doing great. How are you doing?
Doing good, thank you.
Can I get a king burger, a large?
And would you like everything on it?
What? No onions. You can put everything else, okay?
Okay. And are you okay with cheese on it?
Can you put American cheese?
Yes, I can.
So what comes with that? It comes with what?
Mayonnaise, lettuce, tomatoes, pickles. Of course, take off your onions, so I'll replace it with the relish and the mustard too.
Ooh, that sounds good.
All right.
Can I get a small Coke and a French fry? I guess that would be the meal deal, right?
Uh-huh. Yes, it will.
It takes a while for Fatburger. Now we're going to see if it's worth the wait. Here's the burger of the fatness. We're going to get in here. We got some napkins. We got some ketchup. Now check these fries out. Ooh, these are fatties. Huh? Mmm. Those are good. Now I'm going to get to that burger. Hold on. So the fries I want to dip into some ketchup. Oh, look what snuck in, a little thin one. Let's open this up. Let's take a picture of this. Oh, they got a double thing on here. Now we got a double wrap. I have to unwrap it some more. Oh, there it is. All right. Let's hold up Let's hold this up. This is for the thumbnail. How's that look? It looks pretty good. I'm splitting this with my wife. It's got mayonnaise, lettuce, tomato, pickles, and relish. Okay. Here's the bite. Oh, I gotta make sure I catch it. You guys ready? This is a half-pound Fatburger. Right off the mustard, takes over. The cheese is melted. Always a thumbs up. The burger's a little, it looks a little overcooked. One more bite. Oh, it's dripping. Leans forward. Need a napkin. I'd say it's not bad. I don't put it in my top 5, but it's not bad when you're in the middle of the desert looking for something to eat. So I give it about a 6. Fatburger. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 at YouTube. And keep eating the streets. Until next time. Peace.
Live life 365.
Up on the sidewalk.
I don't know how this man. Oh, it's the wrong way. What?
You're gonna have to angle that around this trash can.
Okay, shh. Oh my goodness. Doesn't look too appealing back here. But here we go. All right. This won't be on the video. Hold on. All right. All right, here we go. All right, keep that running for 1 second. I'm just gonna have one more. I'm gonna have to feed the cameraman. Cameraman, should I want it? Sweet Babu, no. Video's over. You can kill it, baby.